This is SvanNET 101, and today we're going to be looking at how to set up automatic system checks on your instruments on SvanNET. SvanNET system checks are a way that you can keep an eye on your instruments without having to physically go to site. First of all, you want to head to the web interface page on SvanNET, and then go to the configuration tab on the right-hand side. From here, head over to calibration at the top of the screen, and you can see that we have automatic system check functionality open. We've enabled this system check at the top here, and we can toggle this on for any specific day that you might want to do it. Let's toggle it on for Sunday, as this is typically a day where the site might not be active, so we're happy to do a system check. Once we've toggled this and a specific time that you're happy with, apply the settings at the top. If you want to just do a manual system check, then you head over to the Perform System Check at the bottom of the page, click this, and the system will check itself to make sure the microphone is okay.